Older Black, Latinx, and Asian Americans are contracting and dying from COVID-19 at a much higher rate than their share of the state's population. Now, racial justice groups want lawmakers to end long-standing disparities. Capitol Bureau Chief Mike Militich is live in Springfield tonight with the latest. Mike.
Amber, good evening. The COVID-19 pandemic has impacted many seniors in minority communities, but the pandemic has also put in light long-standing disparities. Lawmakers and advocates say adults of color continue to fall behind in wealth, health, and access to new technology.
These crises aren't new. They are highlighting the years of disinvestment and austerity that has ravished Black communities. These crises are highlighting who gets safety, security, and support.
Advocates say many people accumulate wealth through housing, although nearly half minority homeowners over 80 in Illinois still hold mortgages on their homes, which is twice as high as white residents.
When you're talking about those who have retired, who are on fixed income, what does that mean for people? And how difficult is that?
Researchers from Loyola University found most adults of color are homeowners, but a significant number of those seniors rent, with a majority of their income going towards those payments. That's why leaders want a comprehensive housing policy to stabilize homeownership and rentals while decreasing debt.
We have to make sure that when we're making those decisions, that they are based in fact on what a home should be valued at, how it should be valued, and not on some historical discriminatory decision-making that ultimately will have an impact on their ability to accumulate wealth.
The organizations would also like to see long-term policies to prohibit evictions and foreclosures as moratoriums end. In terms of healthcare, the vision is simple. Advocates want investment in community-based health equity programs, increased health insurance coverage for seniors, and expansion of telehealth services.
It's very important that our state legislators understand that as we go through a recovery effort, that they see investing in addressing these inequities as something long-term.
The advocates also hope to expand broadband internet to low-income communities, as more than a third of Black and Latinx Illinoisans over 65 don't have access to internet at home. For now, reporting live in Springfield, Mike Militich, 25 News.
Well, coming up next on 25 News.